Oh, hello there. My name's Now, and I'm a shitty guitar player, but I wish I was a rock star. Wish Fridge, don't mind if I do. Hookers and blow, here we go. Oh no. Oh, here you go. Oh, now that's more like it. Oh, bloody hell. I'd rather be dead than be a fucking rock star. Oh, black.
And that's how you kill a zombie. Because I'm me. I'm alive! I'm alive!
What the fuck was that? What happened to my guitar, mate? Oh, my chair. Where the fuck is my cigarette? Do you see it? Oh, there it is.